Hi, I'm Grete from Scandinavian today. Recently my daughter bought me 2 Dala horse cake pans and I'm excited about baking 2 gingerbread Dala horse cakes today. I know they're going to be delicious and they're so cute. So the ingredients from a Dala horse cake is the following. 1 cup of molasses, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2½ cup of flour. I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of cloves, half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then I have 2 eggs, and I have here 1 cup of water, and then I have some shredded ginger. I have about half a cup of that. I have a Dala horse form here, which I'm going to bake the horse in, okay? So this is going to be nice. Okay, I heated up the water and now I'm adding the baking powder to the water. And I'm going to add this to the other ingredients. And here I pour it in. And stir it. And I'm adding the spices to the flour here. Mix it in well. And now I'm adding the ginger. And then I start adding the flour mixture little by little. Mix it in. So it's mixed pretty well. And I will also add the eggs to this mixture here. Of course. Don't forget that. There's 1 egg. And here is the 2nd egg. So I whip it up. Just about finished. And of course I have enough batter for 2 horses. So here is the 2nd horse. And I'm going to bake them at a degree of 350 for up to about an hour. Okay, so now they go in the oven. So my 2 Dala horses have been baked, and after they're cooled down, I'll start to decorate them. So here I have some powdered sugar mixed with water, and I'm now going to decorate my Dala horse. And of course, we need to give it an eye here. And then I continue. So here we have 1 horse decorated. So here I have a small piece of my Dala horse, and of course I'm going to taste it. I can taste the fresh ginger. It's delicious. Hopefully you also enjoy it, and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Skål and take care. Hope to see you another day.